What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Hope all is well with everybody. Family, I was contacted by Saker and asked to do a non-paid, honest assessment of their product, y'all. Oh yeah, a non-paid, honest assessment of the Saker cordless buffer polisher. Oh yeah, fam. So fam, I've had this product for a while now, and I can honestly say I actually like the product, y'all. Oh yeah, Black Guns actually likes the product, fam. So the Saker cordless buffer polisher is very convenient. It's very powerful, and it's lightweight, y'all. The unit weighs only 2 pounds, and because of its cordless or battery powered nature, it's easy to maneuver. The buffer is equipped with a pure copper motor that has 6 different speed levels, y'all. And the buffer can reach speeds up to about 5,000 RPM or 5,000 revolutions per minute, fam. This package is equipped with one 12-volt DC 2,000 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium ion battery, as you see attached here. And the support or base plate of the Saker cordless buffer polisher has a back plate that is about 6 inches in diameter, y'all. And you can easily attach the polishing pads to this unit through the base plate's hook and loop surface, y'all. So basically uses a Velcro type of attachment system, y'all. So family, of course, the buffer excels when being used, for our bug out vehicles such as our cars, our trucks, or even our boat finishes, y'all. But it also does an awesome job when used to polish ceramic top stoves or stainless steel appliances. Yeah, fam. Family, I will actually say that this is a very high value and budget friendly product, y'all. So let's get into it. What comes in the box, fam? What comes in the box? So the Saker cordless buffer polisher comes nicely packaged. It has one flat sponge included, one wave sponge. It includes sandpaper, synthetic wool, has the coral fleece polishing bunny. It includes a non-woven polishing bunny. Also has the Sherpa polishing bunny, y'all. As I stated before, it has the 12-volt DC 2,000 milliamp hour battery, lithium ion. Of course, it has the buffer polisher, y'all. It includes one 12-volt wall plug-in charger. Saker has even thrown in an apron, fam. Yeah. And the instructional manual. So let's buff some, fam. Yeah, let's buff some, y'all. So as you can see, family, it does a great job, y'all. Oh yeah, the Saker Cordless Buffer does a great job. So I highly recommend the Saker Cordless Buffer Polisher. Oh yeah. Family, I appreciate all the support. I really, really do. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.